Okay, language explorers, so let's look at today's Tuesday verb. Be. Be. To have a state of something, to be in a state of something, to be in a state of something. I will be a teacher. She will be my assistant. He will be taller. I will be stronger. He wants to be wiser. Yeah. She wants to be a chef. She wants to learn English. How cool is that? So it's very loose actually. I will, want, should, could, must be here. You will be here. You want to be here. You should be here. You could be here. You must be here. You can be here. They be here. They can be here. They should be here. They must be here. He should be here. Could be here. He can't be here. He can't be here. Yeah. She must not be here. She must not be here. I must not be here. You must not be there. You must be smarter. You have to be taller than this. You have to be better than this. You have to be better than this. You need to be stronger than this, than that. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. How cool is that? He said he was there. So be turns into was. So be, present and future, but was. I was there. I will be there. I was a teacher. I will be a teacher. Future tense. I am. So he is in the present tense. He is here. I am a teacher. He is a teacher. Yeah, quite unique this be is. So he was, he is, and he will be. I'm going to be there. I'm going to be a teacher. She's going to be a student. Yeah. The be verb is quite unique. So I've been, you could say I have been a teacher, but I was a teacher. He said he was there. He said he has been there. That's of a modal verb. He said he has been there. Slightly different spelling and grammar. But he was there. Yeah, he was there. He is there. He is there now. He is there now waiting for you. He is there now waiting for you. For you. He is going to be there. He is going to be there. He is leaving now and is going to be there. He's going to be there with you. There with you. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah, so be, to have a state of something, in a state of, to be in a state of something. He was there, he was there, he is there, he will be there. How cool is that? So, can you use be in a sentence? Can you write it? Sentence? Write a sentence in the comments below. And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. I will be here all day. I will be at the gym soon. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.